Quite a powerful progression event is currently going on Rollercoin, and it's called Space Vanguard. Let's check it out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's check it out. Space Vanguard on Rollercoin. On my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin and Space Vanguard banner at the very top. You can see I am on my way to that 2 petahash for 14 days temporary bonus. If we go to more details here, we can see that this progression event still has another 2 days and 20 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. This progression event actually did start yesterday, so it's already been going on for 24 hours. The most powerful miner in this progression event is the Void Saw at 5.7 petahash. That is quite powerful indeed, and that is actually the common type of the Void Saw. So if you merge that miner, you will potentially get much more power. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. So here we're going to go through the quests. So to get to a higher difficulty level in a game, it's 500 points for each and every game difficulty that you go up in. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace and except in the crafting offer, that's 1000 points for each and every RLT that you spend. When you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, that's 100 points for each and every RLT that you spend. And for each and every RLT that you spend for the crafting offer, that's 5,000 points. So again, I'll emphasize this point like I always do. Look out for those crafting offers because they do boost up your points. And these points are all without the multiplier. So if you actually have a multiplier applied because you exchange crypto to RLT, then you have to multiply these points by the multiplier that you have. Like I always like to do, and thanks to Piero's list, I'm going to go through the list of rewards and the bonus rewards as well that you can get in this progression event. So here is the list for Space Vanguard. This event is running, like I said, for another 2 days up until Thursday. So you've got another 2 days to get these rewards, and there are 16 levels with 16 rewards. The first level starts off with 0.25 RLT, and you just need 1,000 points to do that. By the time you get to the very end, you'll need a total of 17.9 million points. So that is not all that much, considering that you do get like 2 Void Saws with 5.7 petahash each, and they also have 5% bonuses attached to them. If you actually merge those 2 Void Saws, you'll get even more power and even more bonus power as well. Going to the level 3 here, which I am at the moment, that's a 2 petahash temporary bonus for 7 days. And then you can see we also have a not so powerful miner, but it does have a 1% bonus attached to it, which is the CP306 at level 4. There's also ASIC bit, which doesn't have a lot of power there, but it doesn't require that many points to get through anyway. You could do that with a simple crafting offer and maybe just spending opening a loot box or something small, and you'll get through that quite easily. There's the uncommon blaze miner, which is 26 terahash in power with a 0.5% bonus. There's also RST in this progression event, so if we go back up a bit to level 2, there's a 50 RST reward at level 2, there's 150 RST at level 7, and there's another 200 RST at level 11. That totals a total of 400 RST for this progression event. We've got the rack here as well. There's a Swedish Miracle rack at level 9, rack bonus of 6% for each and every miner that you place on that rack. That means that the miner will become 6% more powerful, and that's for each and every miner, so remember that, okay? There's a photon here at level 10 as well with 125 terahash with a 1.5% bonus. There's Star Ground at level 12, 210 terahash with 3% bonus, so quite good bonuses there if you don't already have the miners. But remember, you do need to place these miners on your racks in order for the bonuses to count, and obviously for the power to count as well. So Gravity at 500 terahash with 4% bonus. There's Lightbeat with 2.1 petahash with 5.6% bonus. So if you didn't get that in previous progression events, this is your chance to get that now as well. And like I mentioned before, the 2 Void Saws that you could merge. All in all, you get a total of 14.6 petahash if you manage to get all of the miners in this progression event. You also get 20.6% bonus attached to those miners if you don't already own the miners. And like I said, you need to place all the miners on the racks to be able to claim and get the full 20.6%. There's a temporary bonus power of 2 petahash, which I am trying to get right now at level 3, but that's valid for 1 week. And there's 400 RST, like I mentioned. There is also currently going on a 35% discount, basically for new users that are coming on to Rollercoin. When you get 35% discount, that means you're going to get a higher multiplier for spending and exchanging less of your crypto into RLT. You'll be getting more RLT for less cost, okay? So for example, if we see on this side of the screen, you can see that for a times 13 multiplier, you need to exchange an equivalent of 120 RLT, which would normally cost you $120, but with 35% discount, that would cost you $81.96 instead, meaning that you're spending less and still getting more RLT and more of a multiplier, okay? So be sure to avail yourself of these discounts when they do start, and normally they do start exactly at the same time when progression events start, okay? So keep that in mind for the future as well. So I hope that you found this video useful, and I hope that you managed to get all of those 16 rewards to boost your mining income and get some more crypto in Rollercoin. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.